Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome. Hey, Gary. Welcome. Hey, guys. Let's go over the markets. We did have some buying today. So the Dow finished up right here. So the Dow, Nasdaq, S&P. The Nasdaq was up about 1%, little over 1%, and the Russell was down. All right, but at least we had some buying today. But we have moved, right? So just so that you guys know, we have moved the time frame, all right, on the indexes from the 240 to the daily. All right. So just remember that. So these sell signals we have here, we have a sell signal on the Nasdaq right here. That's on the daily time frame, guys. Daily time frame, no longer the 240. All right. Same with the S&P right here. All right. So hold on. S&P right here. Sell signal here on the daily. So those sell signals on the daily, we really have to pay attention to those. We have to take those seriously. All right. A lot more serious than the 240. All right. And also the Russell has a sell signal right here. All right. So here's the Russell sell signal as you see here on the daily time frame. All right. So that's a big deal. All right. So we are no longer adding buying stocks, right? Adding to stocks. The Dow still holding its buy signal on the daily. Let me show you guys here. All right. So buy signal still holding on the daily. All right. And we have resistance, a high right up here. So, but that Dow is still holding on the daily. On the 240, it does have a sell signal on the 240 minute time frame there. All right. No changes with the sectors. Well, as a matter of fact, we've got, let's see, 2, 4, 6. We have one more sector, transportation, that turned down. All right. So new down in transportation. So we have more sectors that are moving down. We have about, what's that? 7 down. All right. And we have, I would say, almost halfway there. All right. So be careful trading. All right. Be careful trading equities. I want to take a quick look at heat seeker. Heat seeker for stock boss. Just want to run through these, see how many. Heat seeker will give us a good gauge, guys, as to what the equity markets are doing. So there is 32 stocks in heat seeker. All right, that's not good. All right, so that's about it right here. All right, normally when markets were moving higher, all right, we had 70, 80, 100. Bullmaster, just want to show you guys what's coming through here. Bullmaster 51. All right, Bullmaster at the high, I think we had over 200 stocks coming through in heat seeker here. So and those are not new opportunities, right? Those are not new opportunities. That's everything. All right. So so just keep that in mind as we go through the market this evening. All right. All right. The US 30. All right. The US 30, our US 30 traders, just hold off. Right. Right. A lot of consolidation. And I know we want to trade, but right now we just can't trade, right? So just hold off. A lot of consolidation on the 60-minute, even on the daily time frame, a lot of consolidation. So no longs, no shorts right now. All right. At some point things will open up, but look at this, right? A lot of consolidation stuck between support and resistance. That is not tradable. All right, not tradable. Same thing for the NAS 100. We do have a buy signal here. All right, we got a buy signal today coming out of this downward channel here. All right, but this is still a concern here. This is where we had several buy signals that failed. This buy signal here failed. This one here failed. This one here broke out and failed. So this one here could fail. All right. We'll see. We'll find out. All right. But we need, this is the first one that has broken totally out. All right. This one here did, but let's see, right? If it can hold. And if it does hold, if we can get up to this area here, right? Perhaps the second buy trade, we might take that one. All right. And just remember, we have a sell signal here on the daily too. All right. White candles here. So just wait. I know it's hard. I know it's hard to be patient. I know it's hard to wait. All right. But just do that. Just be patient. All right. Same thing for the S&P. All right. Same thing for the S&P. Again, sell signal breaking out here. All right. So just be patient with those E-minis. All right. All right. All right. Let's take a look at the current positions. Current positions. All right. We'll start with Monster Scalper. All right. We do have the dollar. We got a buy signal. So make a note of this, guys. We have a buy signal on the dollar on the daily time frame that came in today. All right. So right here, hit resistance right here. We got a buy signal on the dollar index. All right. So that's really good. And this is really, that's solid resistance right here. All right. So dollars up, right? Futures are up a little bit here, but that dollar is up right here. All right. So hopefully we can break through resistance and we'll see some action, hopefully in the dollar positions. We'll look to add new positions in the dollar pairs this evening. All right. So let's go through the current picks in Monster Scalper. All right. The best trade right now, right? That we see is the dollar long trade and yen long. All right. Now the euro is trying to make a move, but it's mixed. All right. So dollar long. All right. USDN okay. USDN okay. Buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely in Monster Scalper. All right. Now again, if that dollar index breaks out, this will help these dollar pairs. USD SGD. All right, good trade going there. USD SGD buy signal is here. All right, that's moving up nicely there. And then USD CNH. All right, USD CNH buy signal is here, all the way up here, getting past the highs there. All right, so great trade going with those three dollar pairs. CAD yen. All right. Buy signal is there. That's moving up nicely there. CAD yen looking to get past the high right here. Dollar yen. Dollar yen. Buy signal is here. All right. Good trade going here with dollar yen. Buy signal is here. All right. All the way up here. Nice price action in the markup phase. Euro yen. Buy signal is here. Just holding there. Nothing to do there. Swiss yen. All right. Buy signal here. Broke resistance. Right, reaccumulation phase. If you wanted to add just a small amount, all right, just know we still, Forex as a whole is still consolidating, guys. So just be careful, but you can certainly add a small amount to the trade. Hopefully we get another trade like this here. All right. USD JPY buy signal is here. That's moving up higher. Hey, Solomon, welcome, Solomon. All right, and then pound yen. Buy signal is here, moving up nicely, getting past the highs right here for pound yen. Hopefully, we can see a nice move in pound yen. All right. So those are the long positions in Monster Scalper. And again, that buy signal, that dollar index that came in today is a really good sign right here. All right, that dollar, that buy signal right here that came in today on that dollar index should help us with the dollar pairs. All right, short positions. All right, so the short positions in Monster Scalper. We've got Aussie dollar right here. All right, that's a short hold in here. Sell short signal is here. That's holding. Here's the previous trade. We are down in the markdown phase. All right, so just be aware of that. All right, and then Aussie CAD. All right, another sell short signal. All right, so again, they're down in that markdown phase, so I wouldn't go heavy and just keep an eye on those. All right. As far as Forex dominator, we do have yen pairs in that system. All right. So Swiss yen. All right. Good trade going there. You guys know this. We've trading this for a while. Swiss yen. All right. In Forex dominator, good trade here going, keeps making new highs. All right. Euro yen. All right. Euro yen, that's a new trade here. Buy signal is here, holding nicely there. Pound yen. All right. Buy signal here. We just send those out. I think it was either Friday or yesterday. Can't quite remember. What was that? Yeah, last week, Thursday or Friday of last week. All right, so holding, looking to break out here. Good price action holding there. No, it's early. All right, but look at the previous move here. All right, this was for several hundred pips. So hopefully we get another move like that. All right. HKD JPY buy signal is here, and that's breaking out nicely. And then SGD JPY buy signal is here, still trading near the resistance here. All right, but just hold on to it. So you guys look here, right? We have nice candles moving higher there. All right, nice green candles there. All right, and then Aussie pairs. You know, we've been patient with the Aussie pairs, with the pound pairs rather. So pound Aussie holding nicely there, and then pound New Zealand breaking out. Buy signal was here. That's breaking out there. All right. All right. All right. Let's go through stocks. Now, again, we're not adding any stocks. No new picks. Right. We only had about 32. All right, symbols in heat seeker for stock boss, 51, 52 in bullmaster. So we really should not be trading stocks, okay? And we have sell signals on the daily time frames. Remember, as we go through this, right, we have sell signals on the daily, not on the 240 anymore, on the daily. All right, NASDAQ, Russell, all right, S&P, and currently the Dow is holding its buy signal. Okay. All right. So we've trimmed the position quite a bit in stock boss. So let's go through. The market was up today a little. So let's see. All right. So white candles, we need to pay attention to those. Red candles close the trades. All right. White arrow, like right here. Sell signal by the system, close the trade. All right. So this one is holding so far, all green candles there. AMPS. All right. Red candle came in here, so close the trade. Buy signal was at 534. Sell signal 581. Today, close the trade. We'll remove it. AMPS. So if anyone is in this, and we have a new down here, so please close the trade. That's holding. AUR breaking highs, right? Good trade going there. All right. That trade has done well. Buy signal came in at 168, trading at 367 right now. All right. Good trade going there. I wouldn't add on this break of resistance here because of the condition of the market, guys. So, all right, I wouldn't add. That's holding there. All right, good. All right, NIO. We've got a white candle there. All right. Let's bring in a trend line. All right. So we have a descent trend line right here. Let's take a quick look at the daily. Weekly. All right. Holding here on the weekly. So hold it for now. All right. And it's 917 was the buy, close today at 1252. So still in profit. We just need buyers to come back in, green candles, and continue to at a minimum hold. Okay. So NIO, continue to hold that. Okay. Good. 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 This one here, we talked about this one yesterday, guys, and we were hoping for a green candle today, and we got it. Look at this. So here was your trend line. This was Friday's price action, that white candle here, and this is today, this green candle. So that's a good sign, right? Buyers are holding, all right? So hopefully just continue to build and move higher, okay? So that's good. That's a good sign there. All right, that's good. That's good. All right, VTEX, white candle there, purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on this one, okay? Let's see here. We have a high about here, right here, this yellow line here. That coincides with right here. Keep an eye on this. This is where sellers came in before here, and even here. All right, so this one here is in profit, 390. 397, closely at 513. Let's take a quick look at the weekly time frame. All right, so on the weekly time frame, buy signal, green candles there. So it's still holding. Let's move it back. All right, so you can hold it for now, but if it breaks this support, all right, give you a red candle, close the trade. All right, close the trade. But so far it's holding. All right, but just know that you've got sellers. All right, sellers sitting here. Okay, if it breaks that support line right here, you might just want to close the trade. All right, okay. All right. A lot of these stocks we've closed, right? Reduced, taken some small losses, taken some profits. Okay. And we've cleaned things up. If the market really goes south, guess what? We're not heavy in the market. That's the goal, right? We've trimmed things up, trimmed it a bit. All right. And we'll continue to do that. Right. If buyers come back in, we get buy signals, we can always add, we'll get new opportunities to add. Okay. All right. We don't want to be heavy in the market with sell signals, guys. Okay. All right. All right. This is Bull Master, so same thing here. All right. Green candles, but keep an eye on this one. All right. Green candles here, no white candles. All right. But just know we've got resistance here. You know, sellers are sitting here. Okay. Sellers are sitting right here. But it's holding right now, but just like, you know, right here, right? Sellers came in here before, here, even here, all right? So with this one here, even if you get a white candle here, if you get a big white candle, might want to just close the trade, all right? Especially if the market's getting soft. All right, okay. So we'll hold that one for now. Same thing here, right? Green candles there. Okay. All right. Good. That's good. Look at this one here. Good. Kavana CVNA, white candle. All right. Just continue to hold. It's holding support right here. White candle, green candle, white. So it's holding support right here. But just know that, right, it might struggle here, right? This is where sellers came in before here. All right, so you could get a red candle at any time to close the trade. It's in decent profit there, so you can relax a bit. 10 was at 10.78 was the buy signal, trading at $41. Okay, so no hurry to get out of this, but just keep an eye on it. Red candle, absolutely get out. Sell signal, get out. All right, but just remember, this is the high. This is almost identical. This price action here is almost identical. So we could see sellers come in. All right, but we might, we'll see. Might get a move higher. That's holding there. That's holding. That's holding. That's holding. A lot. Notice we're getting a lot of purple support and resistance around that price action, around that current price action on some of these. All right. What's that? MC, white candle here. Just know you have a lot of resistance right here, guys. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the weekly here. All right, weekly buy signal, green candles. All right, this is where, see here, got a pullback here. All right, so keep an eye on this one. And we have a lot of consolidation also here. All right, so here is your resistance right here. Here is your resistance right here. Support, clearly defined support and resistance. All right, we don't count this. We don't count this. We don't count this. We don't count this. So here is your resistance right here. Here is your support right here. If it breaks that, previous resistance becomes support. Red candle comes in here, close that trade. The buy signal was at 43, trading at 47. Again, this is where sellers came in here, 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 and now sitting here. All right, so be quick on this. Red candle, absolutely get out. If you want to close the trade now, you certainly do that. Okay. All right. Good price action there. That's good. ON. All right. White candle there. All right. You do have a decent trend line going. All right. A good trend line going. All right. Hey, Mary, welcome, Mary, welcome. All right. So you could hold on. It's hanging on there to support. Let's take a quick look at the weekly time frame. All right, weekly time frame, it's holding here. Buy signal here on the weekly, right? Nice price action, right? Higher lows here, all right? If we draw a trend line on the weekly, all right, you'll notice that here we've got really good price action here, and that price is holding that weekly right here, all right? All right, so back to the daily. All right, so it's holding there. We just need buyers. So hopefully, all right, tomorrow, throughout the week, we can get some buyers to come back in. Tight consolidation right now, but it's holding, it's trying. All right, ON. OSTK, all right, I'm holding here, right? If we draw a trend line, right, I'll take it right up through there. Quick look at the weekly. All right, holding on the weekly. Nice markdown phase on the weekly. Good support right here. All right. If the market was healthier, right, we could really see this stock moving. All right. But it's under some pressure right now. But buyers, they're still holding it on the weekly. No concern on the weekly. All right. So on the daily, right? And if you guys look here, right, it made a low right here. And it's, it's trying to move higher. If it recaptures this moving average, green candle there. All right. If not, you get a red candle. The buy signal was at 21, close today at 31. All right, so you've got some room. Just let it do its thing. Hopefully, get some buyers to come in. OSTK. All right, that's holding. That's holding. This is what we would like. All right, to see on OSTK. All right, buyers come in like this after that white candle. We talked about this one yesterday, right? Where it broke support. We said, hold on, just hold on. And here we are. Buyers came in. All right, buyers came in on Friday and today. RILY. All right, so just hold on to that one there. Buy signal was at 37, trading at 52 right now. Okay, that's holding. SLG, right? Broke support, white candle there. All right, bringing a quick trend line. All right, just to help. All right, just to help it out here. All right, weekly time frame. All right, that's a bit of concern here. So we have red candle, and we have this week we had a white candle here. All right, so this was good. This green candles, white candle here for the current week that opened today. Let's go back to the daily. So you can hold it for now, right? Buy signal was at 26, closed today at what, 30, 34 or so. So I would keep an eye on this. Hopefully we get some buyers to come back in. Keep an eye on this one though. All right. Same thing here. All right. White candle here. All right. That's good. Good, 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 good. All right. That's good. XPEV, white candle here. Let's take a on the weekly. All right, all green candles, but we've got lower highs, lower lows. All right, so just keep an eye on it. All right, you've got some support here. Hopefully, it bounces off that support. Red candles, get out. All right, buy signal was at 11.73, about there. Trading at 16.24. Okay, so keep an eye on that one there. All right, and that's it there. Okay, all right. All right, so just remember, we are not looking to enter into no new picks, all right, for equities until we get buy signals on the daily on. Now, this is what could happen. We're seeing the yen pairs move higher, all right? When the yen pairs move higher, we can use, the yen pairs can be used as a leading indicator, all right, for the equity markets, okay? So it is good news if we go here that the yen pairs, well, spoke too soon, right? The yen pairs, we have two down right now, but the yen pairs overall have been moving higher, all right? Look at pound yen here. So that could help the equity markets, right? And hopefully this is just a break that stocks are making, right? All right. And then perhaps we can move higher. Okay. So the Dow is still holding its buy signal on the daily time frame. All right. Here it is right here. It's still holding its buy signal. All right. This would be great, right? If the S&P turns up, all right, and we get a new buy signal on the S&P, new buy signal on the NASDAQ, a new buy signal on the Russell, and then the VIX continues to move lower, right? All right. So the VIX had made a big move up to about 18. Now it's at 14. If it continues to move lower, if we can see the S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell move higher, right, give us new fresh buy signals, we'll see heat seeker, all right, start moving again. All right. So that's best case scenario. All right. Worst case scenario, we see continued selling. All right. And then the Dow gives a sell signal. VIX moves higher. Okay. So we just want to be flexible. We want to be nimble. All right. All right. But right now, with Monster Scalper, that's good. So we've seen more. We have a few more symbols moving in Monster Scalper. We had about 29 right here. The rest of these were all red. So now we have 34 that are above 20 and yellow. So that's good. So we're starting to see some volatility come back into Forex. All right. The trade right now, we went over the current trades. All right. So dollar pairs, yen pairs. Let's see if we can find. I know this one came in earlier this evening, the dollar DKK long. Let's take a look at that. And just remember, I know I'm going back and forth here, guys, but this is important. Remember, this buy signal on the dollar index right here came in today, right? And it's looking to break through that resistance, and currently it's up right now. So the dollar pairs, yen pairs, that's the trade right now, okay? That's the trade right now. All right, so let's see. USD DKK gave a buy signal. So let's take a look at it here. All right, so we've got some green candles there. That's good on the daily. Nice big candles here on the daily. All right, so that's all we need. That's all we need. All right. On the daily, on the 240. All right, let's open that up. On the 240, buy signal right here. And here it is right here. All right, we do have resistance right up this area right here. Okay, but we'll go ahead and add that trade. So USD DKK long in Monster Scalper. All right, and we currently have USD NOK, USD CNH, USD SGD. All right, so let's see if we can add any more. ZAR, that's been moving already. Okay, so don't get on that. All right, dollar ZAR, dollar SGD, right? We're in this one already. Buy signal was here, and that's moving. Dollar SEK, all right. Boy, SEK is hitting some resistance right here. Okay, we're gonna add it. Okay, just know that you've got some resistance here, so don't go heavy. The goal is that, right, if the dollar breaks through it, we have a buy signal on the dollar index. If it breaks through, we could see dollar SEK move higher. All right, not a pretty chart though. Okay, so just know we have some resistance up here. If you guys want to wait, the thing is, if you wait, all right, if you wait for it to get past this area, it's going to be too late to get in. Okay. So right here, right, this is where you have a lot of resistance. Okay, so if you wait, here's the buy signal here, and it's trading right here. Okay, I know we have purpose support and resistance there, but if you wait to get past this area, right, buy signal was here, it's all the way up here. That's too late. So if you wanted to, you could take a small position. And again, you've got the dollar index on your side. The rest of the dollar pairs are moving. All right. The group is moving. All right. Let's see here. And let me know if anyone is in any of these dollar pairs. All right. Or if you have any questions on this, because this is This is the best trade, that and the yen pairs right now. Okay, so nice upward trend right here. So you might get a bit of consolidation. Okay, and then hopefully break out. Okay, all green candles there. Okay, just a bit of a pullback. So we'll add it. USD SEK.
David, could you go over the USD NOK?
Mary, which one? USD
USD,
NOK?
yeah.
Okay. All right. Sure, Mary. Let's do that. We'll do that now. All right. USD NOK. All right. That looks good. Are you in this one, Mary? Yeah. USD. So USD NOK. Yes, we're in this one already. So we added this one. So good buy signal is here. All right, purple support and resistance there. That's fine. All right, that's fine for now. You do have some resistance. I wouldn't count this area here because you're getting past this. All right. So there's two areas of concern here, but we're getting past that, and then here. Okay. Here. So the next big area where you might have some issue, it's still early, right? Is right around here. Okay. So, but the buy signal is here. Even if you get out over here, wait for this, wait for your red candles, right? At the minimum, your white candles, you should be fine. So it should be fine, Mary. As far as getting in now, it's too late to get in now. Okay. All right. Buy signal was here, so it's too late to get in now. But yeah, good trade. Good trade going there. Good trade. All right. Good job there. USD MXN. Nothing there yet. HKD. All right. That's gone. All right. USD HKD. We talked about DKK. DKK looks like it really wants to move there. USD CZK, all right, waiting for a buy signal there. USD and USDC and H, we also call this one here. We've been in that one for a while. Buy signal here, give a red candle. We got back in right about here, and that's trading nicely there. All right, so let it run. Dollar Swiss. All right, dollar Swiss. We're going to add this one also. All right. So USD CHF. All right. Let's look at the daily time frame down there. We were concerned about that. Why? That's why we didn't add it yet. We wanted these candles to come in more. All right. We don't have a green candle there, but if you guys look here, we do have white candles. So we'll take the white candles. So if you guys look here, all right. So you have it's moving up, slowly moving up, higher lows, and then right here, right here. All right. So what we would like to see. All right. Well, we'd like to see a nice breakout here. All right. Nice breakout on the daily, and that will help. All right. That will help your 240. All right. And then we have resistance right here. So it's really getting ready to break out. Okay. And right here, your trading window, the 240. All right. Is holding right here, right at resistance. A decent markdown phase for Forex. That's a good markdown phase here. I know we're high up here, but green candles right here. So USD CHF. Don't go heavy. Trade lightly. At least we have some trading opportunities. Okay. At least we have some trading opportunities there. All right. In the dollar pairs. Okay. And then dollar CAD. I think this was the one. This was the first one that moved. So we didn't get this one here. So good trade here going with dollar CAD. If anyone took it, good job. Uh, Daily looks good here. Buy signal. All right, buy signal. But use this. You can use the dollar CAD as a gauge to help, right, with the other, right? This will give confirmation with the other pairs, all right, other dollar pairs, okay? Um, the next trade that we've got going are the yen pairs. We've got several um, trades already. So dollar yen, right? We've called that already. You guys should have received that. Buy signal on the daily. All right. Nice green candles. Nice. With your trend line, you guys will see it's making higher lows. That will give you some confidence in the trade. Breaking through resistance. Buy signal right here. Dollar yen. All right. All right. And then here's your trading window. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely. All right. TRY. SGD. JPY. We're in that one also. Buy signal here, bit of a pullback holding here, right? All green candles, buy signal on your foundational window there. New Zealand yen, just hold on, right? Nothing yet with New Zealand yen, just consolidating there. HKD, JPY, same thing. Buy signal is here, breaking out. All right. Nice long trade going there. HKD, JPY. We didn't call this one. Too late to get in. We didn't call this one here. I think this was one of the leaders there. Okay. Pound yen, right? We call that one also. All right. Buy signal here, right? On the daily and moving up nicely, breaking resistance there. Euro yen. All right, euro yen. We also call this one here. So most of this, right, we call Swiss yen. We also call Swiss yen. Look at the daily on Swiss yen, guys. Amazing trade they're going. Amazing trade. So we got good trend, and then on the 240 buy signal is here. Let's open it up, and we'll be done. All right, so Swiss yen. So hopefully I'm hoping you guys got on some of these trades. Again, don't go heavy, right? It looks like we might be coming out of that consolidation for Forex. It wasn't a very tight consolidation. It wasn't like we had all of these were down in red. All right, so we were at 50% consolidation. All right, we won 70%. Just about 50% consolidation. All right. CAD yen, we call CAD yen, and this is still early for CAD yen. So if you guys, if you want to take a shot at CAD yen, you can do that. All right. Good. Any of our monster scalper traders there. All right, so a good, nice trend line. See the candles hitting that trend line right here, holding. All right, and you have resistance right here. So purple support and resistance, but it could get through that on the daily. And on your trading window, I think it's still good to get in. All right, yeah. Hasn't gone off too far. Buy signal is here. All right. Look at the previous. All right. Look at this trade here. No guarantee you'll get that, but it's breaking resistance right here. Okay. Buy signal right here. And worst case, if it fails, right, you can just get out. All right. But trade lightly. All right. So those are the other opportunities, right? in the euro pairs, just be careful, right? The dollar pairs, right? Euro pairs are very mixed, okay? So I'll be careful there. We have better confirmation with the dollar and the yen pairs. All right. You might find some short opportunities up here. All right. In which we have dollar, Aussie dollar short. All right. And Aussie CAD. But again, remember, right? We shorting near support. These short here would have been better there, but just be careful shorting. Okay. But if you're going to short these, the Aussie and Kiwi pairs, all right, you might find some opportunities there. But dollar long, all right, right now, dollar long, yen long. All right. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. And hopefully keep an eye um, on that dollar index right here. All right. So here it is right here. And that the dollar is trading at 103. And we're looking for a breakout here. All right. Breakout. No, that'll put some pressure on the equity markets, but it is what it is, right? It is what it is. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. Take care. All right. Good job. Bye bye.